this workshop, then I have just observed, then I felt that although we have very strong legislation system, very strong rules and regulation and laws to protect and provide safeguard to woman and child, but just I have seen yesterday's report itself, which is released by National Crime Record Bureau (NCRB), and what I found, as per the record itself, I found almost 4,45,256 cases reported against crime cases registered against the woman. So although this percentage is not too much with respect to the woman, almost 4% in case of in the comparison of 2021.
43,633 CSAM files were downloaded in Goa in 2021. So that's very alarming, and almost 90% of those files were self-generated. So the grooming happens in such a way that our own children generate their images and upload it in online space. So that is one aspect where we have not been prepared, and we need to do a lot, especially build a capacity of our stakeholders to address. When I go around interacting with the stakeholders, I found lack of knowledge, and I don't know how many of us in the room also knows, especially those who are from cyber might know all this, but generally there is lack of knowledge that again concerns us. The prevention program, again, we need to invest in prevention program and also research. We are not able to understand, especially in the context of Goa, there are not many researches done to understand what are the contributing causes to the rise in child sexual abuse. Especially recent times, we have seen those who are protectors of children has been abusing. We have recorded a few incest cases, around 6 cases of teachers abusing the students. Again, delayed reporting, especially in the context of schools, delayed reporting is something which worries us. We are
treated equally. लॉ सबके लिए सेम है, हम कहीं किसी को बचाते नहीं हैं। और जो रेप केसेस हैं, जो असॉल्ट, जो वुमेन रिलेटेड केसेस हैं, देखिए हमारा जो सोसाइटी का फैब्रिक है वो ऐसा है कि इट्स नॉट दैट कि हमारा ये जो अभी हम फिगर्स की बात कर रहे थे कि हमारे फिगर्स बढ़ गए हैं, आपको क्या लगता है फिगर्स में मतलब एक्चुअल में ये केसेस बढ़े या रिपोर्टिंग बढ़ी है? इज रिपोर्टिंग। व्हाई? Because we are creating more awareness. Because now the school kids, I remember when I used to go to school, हम लोगों के टाइम में कुछ ऐसा नहीं था. If I say, for an example, कि मुझे किसी ने बचपन में मान लो मेरे रिलेटिव ने असॉल्ट किया हो, मेरे पास कोई मैकेनिज्म नहीं था किसी को बताने का. I could not have gone to my mother, to my father, to my any of my relative, even to my brother and sister, and tell them, because it was considered as a taboo. और ये आज चीज़ें ख़त्म नहीं हुई, मिनिमाइज हुई हैं, ख़त्म नहीं हुई. When Peter sir was talking about this incest cases, see, one of the main problem which police faces is that when a victim says that she has been assaulted by her relative, maybe father, maybe stepfather, maybe grandfather, maybe chacha, mama, friend of parents, anyone. हमारे जब उसकी फैमिली की नॉलेज में आता है तो वो बहुत कम ऐसे लोग होते हैं who says कि हाँ yes go to the police station, register a case, arrest the accused. Relatives को बचाने में लोग लग जाते हैं. I will share a case with you. There was a 3-year-old girl and 3 and a half. She was a nursery student when I was in Delhi. This is a Delhi case from a very reputed school. Her mother complained, she made a PCR call that my girl is having some problems and stomach ache and I think she has been sexually assaulted. Okay, our staff went, she was medically examined, प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. जब हमने लड़की बच्ची से और उसकी मदर से अकेले में बात करी तो she took the name of grandfather. As soon as the father of the girl came, he just ran away with the daughter. And he thrashed, abused his wife कि मैं तुझे भी छोड़ दूंगा अगर मेरे बाप को फंसाई देगी. ये आज भी होता है. हम लोग पढ़े लिखे हैं जो भी हैं, लेकिन ये आज भी होता है.
And national disgrace. I think the UK needs to hold its head in shame. The politicians were very, very cross because you promised us this database. This was going to be the nirvana for to solve all these crimes. Can I tell you now that the rape conviction rate is 2% in the UK? 2%, an absolute national disgrace. I've just visited some African countries where I don't think we actually know what the conviction rate is because lots of these victims don't even report. So, come on, scientific community, come on, law enforcement, we can actually do better. We can all collectively do better.
0.5%, 11 to 15, 8.5%, 15 to 20. Can you believe what is the percentage? Anybody can guess? 15 to 20. Around 70% victims are from that age group. 21, 30, 11%, and 30 plus is only 2.8%. This is the realistic data from one of the district. Now coming to socio-economic background of these assault victims. Lower strata 53%, middle class 44%, high class, upper class people can say 2.1%. Then come to what is the background of the offenders. Gender, there may be so many people, but if you bracketize the offenders, mostly accused are uneducated or 8th and 9th standard passed. Here the role of Indian Hindi film comes where you see the hero, heroine, hero is 0 passed or 10th passed and heroine well read, return for families and she died for the love. That is a not case. Education matters. While choosing your partner or friend, you should go by your educational or his educational or her educational background. They are not financially stable, alcoholic driven, unemployed. And one major thing, our friend Dr. Bagis stated that they are driven by the pornographic sites and other things which vitiate the minds. Now